I've got something cool. These glasses show what a person looked like in the recent past.
What took you so long to catch up, slowpoke?
Honey, where have you been?
What the hell is going on?
Higgsfield AI just dropped something wild, a groundbreaking model called Higgsfield Wan Animate. Imagine transferring your real-life gestures, posture, and micro-expressions directly onto your AI avatar, or even swapping entire characters in a video with cinematic precision. This isn't a face filter or a cheap overlay. It's full-body motion cloning, voice synthesis, and environment transformation that studios once charged 6 figures for, now available to anyone with a simple video. With Higgsfield Advanced AI, every move, every hand gesture, and every subtle expression, your shots look filmed, not faked. Whether you're a faceless creator building presence without showing your face, a UGC creator testing multiple ad variants, or a content studio working on a tight budget, this tool changes everything. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make your avatar move like you using Higgsfield Wan Animate. Let's dive in. You can access this model directly from the official Higgsfield website, but keep in mind that it's not a free tool. If you're new to Higgsfield, they're an advanced AI platform that's made a name for itself through innovation and stunning realism. You can see right here, everything is neatly organized on the main dashboard, from transitions, team access, to generation tools. If you're part of a Higgsfield team, you actually get unlimited generations. That means unlimited image and video creation for a full year, completely managed inside your account. When you click on the Soul section, you'll be redirected to Higgsfield Soul, the model that made Higgsfield famous for creating consistent, realistic avatars. Under the Character tab, you'll also find Face Swap, one of my personal favorites. With it, you can swap faces across any photo or video, using anyone's image you want, with stunning realism. But the real power begins inside Recast Studio. Here, you can perform character swaps, video face swaps, and full AI recasts with more than 30 high-quality presets, from realistic humans and anime figures to animals and stylized looks. Everything happens in just one click. Recast doesn't stop at visuals. You can change backgrounds instantly, clone voices, and even dub yourself in 6 different languages. It's a full production suite that feels like a Hollywood-level tool made for everyday creators. Once you open Recast Studio, you'll immediately see 2 main input fields, one for an image and the other for a video. These are the 2 elements the system needs to perform the character replacement. In the Input Video field, upload the clip that you want to transform. This video will act as your guiding motion reference, meaning the AI will track every gesture, posture, and movement from this footage. Next, under Input Image, upload the photo of the character or avatar you want to appear in place of the person in the video. As you can see in the Character tab, Higgsfield offers a vast selection of pre-built character presets, from realistic humans and stylized models to anime and animal types. But for this demonstration, I'll be using my own image to keep it personal and authentic. Once both files are uploaded, simply click Generate. Higgsfield Wan Animate will analyze your video frame by frame, replace the original subject with the uploaded character image, and reconstruct realistic motion, lighting, and facial alignment. The process usually takes just a few seconds, depending on your video length. And here's the final output.
What are you waiting for? Subscribe to AI Pipeline YouTube channel now.
You can see how seamlessly the character replacement blends into the video, preserving every expression and body movement as if it were filmed that way from the start. Once your video is ready, you can download it directly. You'll also notice how smooth the transitions are and how perfectly the gestures align with the new face and body. Now, let's take things a step further and test a few more examples. I'll start by uploading another input video along with a corresponding image. Once both files are in place, I'll hit Generate again and let Higgsfield Wan Animate do its magic. In just a few seconds, the system analyzes the new motion data and reconstructs an entirely new version of the clip. Now, look at this result.
Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and turn on your notification bell.
Smooth, consistent, and incredibly lifelike. Next, I'll switch things up a bit. Instead of using my own image, I'll replace it with one of the preset characters available in the Higgsfield library. Let's pick Yumi, one of the more stylized avatars that shows off how versatile the model can be. Now, I went ahead to test the voice dubbing feature too. You can upload your video, pick a character like Anastasia, clone your voice or any voice. You can also choose a new voice, for example, female Russian, and select an environment preset such as Cozy Minimal. I'll keep the same input video as before and click Generate once again. Within minutes, Higgsfield AI generates a version of your video where your avatar is speaking fluently in another language, synced perfectly with your lip movements. And here it is.
Не забудьте поставить лайк, оставить комментарий и нажать на значок колокольчика, чтобы включить уведомления. Не забудьте поставить лайк, оставить комментарий и нажать на значок колокольчика, чтобы включить уведомления.
Look at how perfectly the AI transfers movement, gestures, and lighting onto the new character. It feels like Yumi was the one actually filmed. Impressive, right? Now imagine what this means for faceless TikTokers and creators who prefer to stay off camera. You can build a full digital persona, act through your AI avatar, and produce endless character-driven content, all without ever showing your real face. All of these features, from Recast, Studio, and Face Swap to Popcorn and the Swap Bundle, are designed to give creators total control over their digital identity. Whether you're a faceless creator, a UGC ad producer, or someone building a full AI persona, Higgsfield's tools let you produce cinematic, professional-grade content in minutes, without expensive gear or a studio setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next deep dive into the latest AI video tools. Try out Higgsfield Wan Animate yourself and see what kind of characters you can bring to life. Drop a comment below sharing your results, or tag me in your creations. I'd love to feature some of them in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.